Maya, look! We've got an emergency incoming. It's from Potatopolis City. They need science help, fast! To Potatopolis!
Potatopolis, the city of light, usually bursting with energy. But what happens when the power grid fails? The whole city is dark.
But what if we could bring it all back with something totally unexpected? Something starchy?
That's right, a potato! I'm Mr. Spud, and with my amazing assistants Leo and Maya, we are going to do the impossible today.
Inside this potato is a weak acid, which acts as an electrolyte. When we add two different metals, zinc and copper, a chemical reaction happens.
Whoa, what are those little sparks?
Those are electrons, Leo. Their flow from one metal to the other is electricity.
So how much electricity can one potato actually make?
About 0.9 volts and a tiny current. Enough to power this one little light.
More voltage for a real bulb?
Exactly. About 5 potatoes. But for big things, volts aren't enough. We need to talk about energy, measured in kilowatt-hours. That's the real fuel that makes things run for more than a few seconds.
What about an electric car?
A car like this needs about 50 kilowatt-hours of energy to fully charge its battery. That's a lot of fuel. To get that much energy, you would need about 50 million potatoes, all just to charge one car one time.
What about a house for a whole day?
An average home uses about 30 kilowatt hours a day. So that would take
about 30 million potatoes. And you'd need a fresh batch every single day to keep the lights and TV on.
So,
To power all of Potatopolis for one day?
for that, we'd need 5 trillion potatoes. But that's not going to stop us. We need more potatoes. We're starting with 100 million for our first power surge.
Every single potato needs its zinc and copper electrodes to get the electrons ready to move.
We're linking them up in series and parallel to build up the voltage and the current.
Whoa! It's a real giga-potato generator!
And it's almost ready to go.
How long can one potato last?
After a few days, metals corrode and the power stops. So we need a constant supply. After the potatoes give up their power, they're sent to be composted. And a fresh round of potatoes comes in to keep the electricity flowing.
The moment of truth. We are connecting our organic power grid directly to the city.
Look at it go. One electron at a time, carrying the power of 100 million potatoes. We have contact. The first lights are coming on. It's working. It's actually working.
The grid is stabilizing. The power is spreading through the city. Potatopolis is coming back to life. 100 million potatoes later, we've done it. We've got the power. Potatopolis is back online.
And that's how we saved a city, with nothing but pure, absurd, delicious science. Woohoo!
See you on our next amazing adventure! If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more amazing science adventures.